So Autumn and I are getting ready to hit the road. Actually, it's 5:30 in the morning. I just dropped Autumn off at work. I'm getting ready to head in. I'm gonna work 6 o'clock until noon today, so a 6-hour day. Getting out 6 hours early. Autumn and I are I'm gonna go pick her up after work, and we're hitting the road heading south. And I'm gonna see how many miles we get off this tank. Try to drive it down to about 50 miles or less on the tank and see how many actual miles it shows. So when it is full, I'm going to show how many miles it says until E. So these pumps stop at $100. I got to start pumping again because it's a 36-gallon tank. So we are continuing the fill up. It stopped at $100. All right, we just filled up, $106 fill up, 665 miles till E. Let's see how many miles we actually get off this tank. We just got into Litchfield, Illinois last night from Traverse City. We left around 12 o'clock, 12:30 range out of Traverse City, and we drove 554.1 miles. It is showing 40 miles till E, so we're gonna go ahead and top off. But 554 miles on the tank, and that's a lot of it's doing 60 to 80 mile an hour type stuff, a lot of 70 and 80. So anyways, how many miles do you get on a tank in your truck? I think it's pretty cool to be able to go a long ways, especially get through cities where you don't want to pull over and stop, stuff like that. So there we are, 8 hours and 54 minutes. Truck's running. I'm gonna shut it off and fill it up, and there's the E. And there on the bottom, 40 miles till E, 554.1 miles. So pretty good on one tank. Let's see how much this one costs to fill up. This stopped at 100, so I got to restart it up and finish off the fill up. All right, ended up at $107.11. Anyways, thank you guys for watching Adventure Roads. Josh here. I'm just wrapping up this video. I have the F-350 Godzilla behind me. Autumn is gone out of town with the F-150. She's driving all over the state for her work, and she's gone this evening. So anyways, just wanted to wrap up this video. Create your own story. Enjoy those miles and have the smiles. We know gas prices are up and everything else, but be kind to somebody today and create your own story. Thank you guys for watching, and we never know which video we'll kick out next. We just do them as we can do them, and we have all kinds of variety of content. Godzilla, our truck camper Wolf Creek, and just simply our adventures of living. So we hope you guys are living and do whatever you can do to help somebody along the way, and be kind to somebody today. So thanks a lot for watching.